Bonjour. Touch the glowing bookmark, and the enchanted book will show you your... Enchanté. It is with the greatest pleasure that we will now show you which Disney character is most like you. My assistant, please.
Your assistant?
Relax, Cogsworth. No need to get ticked off. My dear guest, first we must create your portrait. Gaze deeply into Cogsworth's reflection.
Simply line up your face inside the oval, if you please. Now, sit back, relax, and smile. We're going to create your portrait in 3, 2, 1...
It is perfect, yes? If not, you may try again. Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter. But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you, sir or madame. When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends or think it through in your head? Do you see yourself as more sensible or more imaginative? Are you ruled more by your passionate heart or your logical head? Do you usually like to plan things out or wait to see what happens? Very good. One more question we must ask. Would you rather eat lunch with nice people or eat nice people for lunch? Yeah, really. You are a perfectionist and perfectly wicked. As a leader who will lock horns with anyone, your focus and determination make you a force to be reckoned with. You are most like Maleficent. There you have it. I do love a happy ending. Au revoir. Toodaloo. Okay. Who's next?